Hey guys, what's up? It's Ella and this is Stan, and we're back with another one of your questions. This question today is, how do I mount a GoPro mount?
Our GoPro mount is very, very cool. We made it out of billet aluminum, and this is 1-inch aluminum rod that we've drilled and tapped, and you can see that we've cut all the slots in it that absolutely mirror how a GoPro, the surround on a GoPro, goes into the GoPro mount. We have 2 levers on it that allow you to swivel in any direction that you want to. Tighten it down by hand freezes it. This one here lets you pick it up and move it in that direction and if you want to. And then you can tell we have a hole in the center of it. And what that hole in the center does is, as you see on our clamp, we have a screw in it. You basically put this in there, that screw comes in from the back side of this and tightens this down. So basically you tune this to get it close. You tighten it down and then you finish off your tuning or your fine adjustment with the other 2 swivels that you have.
This American-made product can go onto your dirt bike, side-by-side, 4-wheeler, anything you want. Go get your American-made product today on TKOclamps.com. Thanks guys.